What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs coming at you today with another interior mod video. Like I promised in the last one, if you did not see the last one, be sure to go check it out, as we did a custom dash here and it turned out fantastic. You see the color match there. Really happy with the way that turned out, so be sure to go check it out. Today we're going to be doing another interior mod that deals with the dash area. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my custom color matched radio trim here. This is offered on the website www.jcscustomshop.com in carbon fiber and multiple colors. I color matched mine, so this is what we're going to be putting on our radio today. So let's walk out to the car. You can see perfect paint job on it. Did these the other day. Get set up here. So here's our radio. I've already prepped and cleaned it with some alcohol and a wipe. You got the tape already installed on the back here, and I got my X-Acto knife to remove the little red pieces. So we have our piece here. We're just going to take off these red pieces. So the red pieces are off. We are ready to apply it. Now a lot of people do carbon fiber here, but I've done the carbon fiber before, and I'm a fan of color matched more than that. So this is my choice. But yeah, you can find the carbon fiber and color options on the website. Now, it is good to say that this one will not cover your light on the back, so you will still be able to see your light. So just carefully lean in here. You're gonna want to stick it on the first try pretty much. Just like that, and then stick it down. Press all areas. And just like that, you are good to go. It is on. It looks great. Don't mind my hiccups from the last install. I accidentally dropped my radio, and it took my paint off pretty bad right here. And then I didn't realize I dinged my paint right here, so I got to touch that up. But other than that, looks really, really nice. Let's get some other shots. So yeah, there you go. Super easy install, and it dresses that interior up very nicely. If you liked what you've seen here, be sure to go check it out on the website and smash that like and subscribe button. Super easy video today, guys. So be sure to tune in to next weekend for the next interior mod video. Until next time, peace.